Welcome to class. Writing picture books is designed to take you from idea to manuscript, teaching you everything you need to know to start writing for children. My name is Mary Janelle, and I'm so happy to be hosting this free class right here on this YouTube playlist on the Picture Book Creators channel. Do you know who you're actually writing for? And how many words will they actually sit through? Here in Lesson 1, Target Age and Word Count, we're covering one of the most foundational but very important steps in understanding writing for children. The Writing Picture Books class here on this YouTube playlist is meant to be watched in sequential order, taking you step by step, building real, practical skills on how to write a children's picture book. This class is not here to chase the YouTube algorithm, but instead to bring real educational content to help you build your writing skills. I want to encourage you to start at the beginning of this playlist and go in order, step by step, learning each lesson and beginning to apply it to your work. I really believe in doing, not just listening or watching. So that's why I've designed an extra resource, a downloadable, printable workbook called Picture Book Writing Exercises. This workbook is an affordable printable download that you can find at the links below. You can print it out and have it ready for the class. Every single exercise in the book corresponds to the free video here that you'll find on YouTube. So if you want to get the most transformation out of this class, I highly encourage you to find this downloadable resource that goes hand in hand with every single lesson, including exercises on target age and word count, on developing strong plots and story structure, creating memorable characters, writing vivid settings, drafting your first story, and learning how to revise and edit your work. You can find those links below. Without further ado, let me take you into my writing room and let's understand who we are actually writing for in Lesson 1, Target Age and Word Count. Welcome to the lesson where we're going to talk all about target age and word count. Your target age is going to affect your word count. Your word count will affect the length of your book and the vocabulary in which you choose to write, which ultimately impacts everything you do as a picture book writer. I want to start off by saying, though, that I don't worry about any of this when I'm writing my first draft. You don't want to worry about it too soon. You want to get your ideas out there. You've done some concept developing and you just kind of want to let it pour out. But ultimately knowing that at some point in the refining process, as you revise and edit, you are going to need to simplify that word count, simplify the vocabulary, and bring the whole entirety of the book and story into age appropriateness. There is a saying in the industry that says, when you write for all kids, you write for none, because children develop at certain levels at certain ages, and what they understand and what their minds comprehend is different along the age groups. Hey there, just a quick intermission from today's lesson. Are you loving the lesson so far? If so, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget that I have an extra companion to this class called Picture Book Writing Exercises. Every activity inside of this affordable, downloadable printable corresponds to a lesson here on this playlist to get you from just watching to doing. This is how we're going to really transform our skills together. So find that link below. Let's get on with the lesson. So let's understand the age groups in picture books. Younger picture books are for 0 to 5 years old. These books are designed for the very youngest readers, often infants and toddlers. The word count is minimal, ranging from 100 to 500 words. The focus is on simple, repetitive language, bright illustrations, and engaging concepts that introduce basic ideas like colors, shapes, and simple actions. Picture books for ages 2 to 5 years. Geared towards toddlers and preschoolers, these picture books generally have a word count of between 500 to 1,000 words. They introduce more complex concepts and narratives while keeping the language accessible. The illustrations play a significant role in helping the children understand the stories. Standard picture books, ages 3 to 8 years old. This is the most common category of picture books, suitable for a broad range. The word count typically falls between 500 to 1,000 words. These books offer more detailed stories with a balance of text and illustrations. They are often designed to be engaging for young children while also holding the attention of slightly older readers. Longer picture books, ages 8+ years. For older children, picture books can exceed 1,000 words. These stories are more complex and detailed, often exploring deeper themes and narratives. The illustrations still complement the text, but may play a slightly less prominent role as the reader's ability to engage in the written word increases. By understanding these age groups and corresponding your word counts and vocabulary, you're going to be able to meet the needs of your audience. Thank you so much for learning with me today here in Writing Picture Books. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it the thumbs up here on YouTube, share it with a friend, spread the word that there is this kind of educational material for those who dream of writing picture books. Find the links below for the printable companion, the exercises that get you doing, not just watching and listening, but doing is where the real transformation happens. And I can't wait for you to join with me in these exercises and really begin to practice your picture book writing skills. If you're looking for encouragement, accountability, or a space to just grow your skills as a picture book creator, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell here on the Picture Book Creators channel, because every week I create a video to help support your journey. And YouTube has a feature called Community that I'll be using to inspire you. Make sure to check out all my other helpful videos and do the lessons on this playlist in sequential order so that you can get the most out of them. Until next time, picture book creators, happy writing.